Hey everybody, Alec from Octave here. Have an exciting new update to share with you today on the platform, and something that's a part of a bigger motion we're trying to build within Octave, which is the ability for Octave and the brain to update itself while you sleep and learn and improve itself while you sleep. And this is the first step in that journey. And what that is we've now built out a centralized resource center. So what you can do is you can point the resource center to your website or to specific files. They could be static files or Google Drive files that are live. And what's good about this is two things. One, we'll be able to pull in only the relevant web pages, so only the pages that are relevant to building out your Octave library, especially if you have lots of pages for SEO, things like that. We won't automatically pull those in. We'll be smart about what information gets pulled into the brain. And then second, we're going to be able to re-index on those websites and Google Drive files specifically, something that's in that sort of drive where we can look for changes and see what's been updated, which can be helpful. Two big use cases. One you can use now, and then another that will be coming soon with another update. But for what we can do now is we can use these resources when creating different elements within our library. So let's say we want to add a persona or a use case or a segment, and we know we have a specific document or part of our web page that can point us in that direction and help there. We can specifically point it at that while creating the entity. Now, you don't have to do that. We're going to go through all of the different resources when creating an entity and say, is there anything relevant to creating this segment or persona or use case? But if you know there's a specific file or web page that would help inform the creation of an entity, you can do it there. So that's number one. The second thing, which isn't quite live yet, but will be coming soon, is the ability to create suggestions. So I mentioned that we'll sync these websites and re-index. Very soon, we'll be able to bring in any changes that have been made to different parts of your website or different documents that you've uploaded and look at your library and say, hey, this new information that you've brought in on your website through the documents, maybe you've changed the definitions of your persona, maybe you've changed your positioning on your website. We'll take a look at that, take a look at what's been built into your library and suggest changes to your products, personas. Maybe you need to update some of the language here. Maybe you need to add a new persona. Maybe you've rolled out a product update with different use cases to your website. Lots of different ideas of how this could be helpful, but what this will do is it'll be able to show you and help you self-update this Octave system to make sure that the latest information that you've curated and developed as a company makes it to customers. So exciting update, lots you can do with it today and even more to come. We're excited to share that with you. But let us know as you test out resources, how it's working for you, and if you have any other questions. Thanks.